Hello everyone. Welcome back to Divya's Lecture Hub. Hope you all are doing well. So today I came with a colorful recipe which my daughter Krishna likes it very much. So that is gummy bear. Isn't it colorful?
Yes,
You like it?
yes,
So shall we show our viewers how to make this?
yes.
Yes. Okay. So friends, for making this, the main thing what we need is the gummy bear mold,
More.
and you will get a dropper also. Oops. So this you can get from, and if you are in India, you will get it from Amazon, and I am in Qatar, so I got it after 1 month, but it's really very good.
Very,
So now
very
let's see how to make this beautiful gummy bear.
beautiful gummy bear. Let's take mango first.
Yeah, so as you all can see, there are so many different colors of juices. So we can use each one of them. Here I have taken orange juice. This is Sprite. This is strawberry Fanta. This is kiwi juice. This is mango juice. And this is lemon mint. So
Yeah.
for that, come here. Okay. So today Krishna will also help me. Okay, because this is her favorite candy, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So first we have to, I'll show you the ingredients what are required. This is sugar. This is agar agar powder. I have bought the China grass agar agar and I just blend it. So that one. And this is lemon salt. That is citric acid if you want to preserve it for longer time. And this is corn syrup.
And
Okay.
this is colorful juice.
Yes, colorful juice. So first we are going with the color and the juice which Kichu like the most. This is 100 ml of orange juice, and into that we'll put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. Yes. One more. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now into that we'll put 1 tablespoon of agar agar.
Can I put it too?
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now this I will put, okay, because
Can I put too?
this is lemon salt. So we have to put very less, okay?
Can I put it? Thank you.
Yes, this much we'll put. Hold it properly. Yeah. Okay.
Now let's mix it.
Yeah, you can mix it. It's her favorite gummy bear, so she's not allowing me to do anything. Okay, fine. Now just hold the spoon. Now we'll pour 2 tablespoon of corn syrup. Yeah, pour it. One more. Yeah, so again, Kichu will help me to stir it. Yes, slowly. Okay, friends, now this solution we have to boil for 2 minutes. Okay, so let's boil it. So now we have already transferred this into the pan. Now the same thing we have to boil for 2 minutes. Please keep the flame medium, not high, and please stir well because otherwise it will stick. So we'll wait until it boils. So it's been 1 minute, it started boiling. So friends, you have seen I have put only 2 tablespoons of sugar. The one which you buy from the market, it has lot of sugar content. So if you like your children like this candy very much, for them sometime we can make. I won't say that it's fully healthy one, but yes, much healthier than the market one. We'll just cook it for half a minute more. Now you can see the bubbles have started coming and the agar agar also have dissolved. After this, whatever process you are going to do, it should be quick, otherwise it will just become solidified. So we have to quickly transfer into a glass. So I'm going to stain it into a glass. Don't keep it in a cool place, friends, otherwise it will solidify in the glass itself. Now we'll take and we'll transfer this into the mold which I showed you first. So this is the one which we got. So I'm not wasting your time because it will solidify. The first we have to take little oil and just apply on the gummy bear mold. Anyway, it is silicone one, it will come out. So, but still to make it easy. So now just make sure the air doesn't trap inside the dropper, and we are going to place here. So this one we have done with orange juice. The same method you can do with the all other juices. So you can see I have already done some of them. So that is that red color, you can see it is with strawberry Fanta. The green one, that is kiwi juice. So in kiwi juice, if you feel the color is not enough, you can just add some green color. I added 2 drops of green color so that it looks good. But if you don't want, you can just leave. And just make sure there should not be any bubbles. You can see here one bubble. Just remove it. And this, the remaining one, just you can put it in some or some other mold or other design which your kids like. Just I have tapped. And this we will keep it in the freezer for around 10 to 15 minutes. So friends, we will keep it in the freezer for 10 minutes, it's enough, but until it solidify. So I usually keep 10 to 15 minutes. So let's see after 15 minutes. So it's 15 minutes over. So let's see. Just will press and it will come out. See? So we'll take out all of them like this and we can place it here. You want? Here. See, when I press, it comes out. She will eat all. So friends, after making this, around 2 days, if you keep it in the fridge, then you can feel it become like a gummy. 1 minute. See? Let me show first. See how, yeah, now it will go into her tummy. So the same way as I showed you different colors of juices, we can make it. The same thing you can use for jelly cakes also, to decorate the jelly cakes. You can use this gummy bear. But in my home, it doesn't remain for jelly cakes. She will finish it today itself. So you'll give this to your friends?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Gummy bear is too tasty and too quicky. And it's so tasty like candy.
Yeah, she's so happy. And it's so easy to make, isn't it?
Yes, it's red, orange, and lemon, and green.
Oh, yes, this green one is kiwi also.
Yes, let's take this
Yeah,
one. So
yes, she will taste and let you know how it is.
super.
Super! So it's very easy, friends.
This gummy bear is so tasty like that. It's like you have to make a gummy bear.
If you want to make a gummy bear, so please watch our video and prepare it. So thanks for watching our video. Bye. Krishna say bye. She's
Bye.
oh bye.